Roll camera. Mark it.
All right, so we're going to talk about the curriculum real quick and let you teachers in on how this is designed and how it works. So go up to the Tools menu and click Curriculum. And here we have all 12 courses. So if you've bought the sort of the subscription, you should see 12 courses here, at least at the time of this recording. These first three here, indicated in this yellow color, are required. You have to take those classes before you can take any of these other ones. They have some experience points indicators on them. That's part of the game. So as you complete courses, you gain points and you go up levels that unlock challenges and other things. You have a short description here, and then we have a completion bar, so you can see exactly how far along you are. And if your students really want to jump in to pick up right where they left off, they can just click this resume button at the top, and it will automatically just drop them where they need to be, where they last left off. As we get to this course here, this film production course, this is the first course where you'll actually make a movie, and you'll see this group icon here. So in this course, your students will break up into groups of 3 to 5 students, is what we've kind of seen work the best. They'll make a movie together. It's a short PSA, a public service announcement, and then upload it to the theater. Now this next one, this is where it gets tricky, and it's very different from other curriculum. We have crew project. You'll see all of these 5 courses identified with crew project along the top, and it's writer, producer, director of photography, and editor. Now what happens is these courses are so big that it requires the students to sort of break up into pairs or groups. And they are going to tackle this next project as a whole, one project, but different students taking different courses that will handle the different job descriptions within the crew. So the writer, for instance, the student who takes the writing course is going to write the screenplay for the film. The student who takes the producer course is going to produce it, and the student who's going to take the director course is going to direct it, and so on and so forth. Now, you can have multiple students take one course, so you can have 2 writers on a project, 2 producers, 2 directors. That's fine. It doesn't matter. However you want to break those people up. We really recommend that you do break up into groups here, though, because making a movie is difficult, and doing all of it to this degree is even more so. So that's how this curriculum works for these courses. Now down here we have 4 additional courses. These are all elective courses. Again, they have experience points with them. You do have to complete the first 3 courses before you can take these. This critic course is essential to the lot sort of thriving, because the students who take this course will be leaving reviews on the films that other students have uploaded to the theater. So this is also a critical course. But that's how this works. That's how the basic curriculum works. Now, if I go into any one of these courses, you'll see that I have a bar on the left-hand side that shows me what the experience is for this course, shows me the graphic for the course. It also tells me, some of them will tell you how long it's going to take, if there's a good identifier for that. One of the most important things is this course forum. So each course has its own forum. So if students are having a problem, they can ask questions in the forum and get good answers, or find answers that other people can give them. So that's a valuable tool to have. Below that, you'll have the game stats. So you'll always know what level you are in the game. You'll know how many points you have to get to the next level and what your total points are. If you've passed the class already, you can also access your certificates here. So this particular one was given to Tristan Whitman, but you can access all of your certificates in this same place. Over here, we have a graphic of the instructor, sort of a cartoon of the instructor, which is a mishmash of actual filmmakers. So this is sort of a combination of historically accurate producers that we've kind of combined into one. And all this text in the red here, only teachers can see this. So this text and that image, only teachers can see that information. And that information is really there just to help teachers guide their students through each course. And down here you have just the course information and materials that might be needed for the course, and then it lists the assignments. And as you go through each assignment, your students can just either watch a video, they have to read some stuff, sometimes they have some interaction, and they just mark it complete and they move on. Here's the course navigation. Again, you still have your game stats, and now with the bar on the right-hand side, you know that you're in the course. When it's on the left-hand side, it's simply, you haven't actually entered the course yet. You're just looking at the course description. And that's really essentially how the curriculum works on the lot. So I can't wait to see what your students make. Really looking forward to seeing what they upload to the theater. Good luck.